my people, Nado. Now we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today not the first time we reach my channel, say now today be the first time we take your two kuru eye see me and I be this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nasoma. Before I continue today's video, may I remind you now, you see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Now so when I do well. Today video I want just discuss one matter with you now. Something where dey my mind, it just they go through my mind sometimes. And this thing where I won't talk now, you know, something where dey my mind today, where dey my mind all day today, the thing nobody come over my mind. And the thing now how it be say this God who we dey serve. Sometimes we no do understand them. Make we just talk through. Sometimes not be everything we God they do we do understand. Some things we go to look say which one be this one again? Where did this one come mean? You know? What make this thing come my mind? What make this thing come my mind now? Because I be they tidy up. As I they tidy up because I be do party which I go even call. I make a call and say get together. I be do one can get together for my house. So and this get together now just me and I plan them. I just plan to get together for my house. I invite some of my friends. So all of us can come my house, we can do this get together. We do it for one of our friends. Other food, I still cook some food. Some of my friends too, you know, some friends just cook for their house. All those kind of things. All of us just come here, bring our children. We just do one kind of small party for a weekend. So as I clean up the things for the party now, my mind go see the flash to the whole matter. So you know what I go do? Make I first clean up the You know what I go do? Make I just clean up the rest of the things we will do party. In case rain go begin fall. Make I quick clean up the things we will do the party. So that after I finish, I go finish the video. Because if I go do the video first, rain can go for now. I no go fit clean up the thing again. Me I first clean up that one up. Now these are the canopy we will use for the day. I be done already remove and finish. I want just pack the rest up. Make I keep them. Some people sit down for this corner. This don't go on now for here. Some people sit down for here. See say the plastic will follow and come because I never come out and because as it be like this, it's easy for me to just wipe them. After I use I will just wipe the plastic, store them away for another time we will go need them. And paper cups we use, so once we just finish, we just gather all the cups through there for recycling bin, you know, so we don't get too much plate to wash. This is now my storage box where they put everything. Maybe this. You can see the things right inside. Some of my gardening things. Now here they keep all the cushions. See, I still get my gloves. And this one are the gloves where I newly wash, where I never reuse. And they keep them here sometimes. And then you can see I get mat too. I use antibacterial spray, just spray them. Just to make I quickly tidy up before I make today's video because they don't be like saying one for boy never for now. But I want just to now, you know, when I talk about the things of God sometimes, you know, and we know say Bible say God love us, God care about us, you know, God good, God, you know, God really get good plans for us and all these things. And we believe. But the thing where I want to talk now, say, you know, say sometimes we talk through. It gets something sometimes we go to happen. We say if we won't really talk through, we go talk say we don't really understand. Not be everything, even as Christians, born again Christians. Not be everything we talk say we really understand. It gets something we will say. If we won't talk through, we go talk say we don't understand. Okay, so what make I want to talk this thing? This is my friend where I say we do birthday for. Now the same university, all of us go. So my other friends they will go the same university and all of us plan this thing together. Same surprise now. So So this my friend, not Christian, but no be Naija person, not Christian. So what happened? I say this girl don't fair born before, born two girls before. So one are like 10 years old, the other one are like maybe like 7 or 8, something like that. I think 8. So she born there, don't born there. She be nurse too like me. All my friends, the way they come now, nurses, all of them. The only one of them no be nurse. All of us, Shana, the same nursing school we go the same university, we go the same nursing school. So and all of us now nurses. So what took happen to this my friend now? This girl come, and she don't forget 2 children before. So last year she come be 30. She come say I still don't 30. Make it just try born one more. Go born after that one. She the year say no go born after that one. So now she just say make she try. And she can't get belly now. So she said she can't pray say God will make it be twins. See now we just the pray say you no won't get belly again after this one. You no won't get belly again because she don't 30 last year. This year now go be this year be 31. So maybe now. You can't get belly, can't pray say make it be twins. Say God, I beg make it twins, make it be twins. So this belly now she said she can't this. She said she can't this sick. Say the sickness too much. Say you don't get belly 2 times before. Say no be like this. Can't go hospital. And they can't do scan. And they can't tell her say na twins she carry. My friend can't dey happy. I could dey happy say see can you imagine pray for twins now so to true God don't give her twins she can't dey happy. She can't dey say God as she be saying her twins God make it be 2 boys. As she already born 2 girls make you just get 2 boys. Say for just perfect. She understand you go just perfect. As you already get 2 boys you can't get as you already get 2 girls you can't get 2 boys. And as you don't decide say no they born again say this one I be saying you just get 4 children. You understand? And 2 boys to get say for just perfect. My people she can't go do scan no. Can't go do scan. So me I follow and they pray. Me I tell and say no matter waiting shall at the end of the day na picking way they healthy. Na picking way well. Now they more important to you go say healthy. You know go believe say can't go do scan. It come be say na 2 boys. Here now they see this cat. It come say na 2 boys. Can't see happiness. He pray make it be twins. It true be twins. He can't pray make it be 2 boys. Can't true be 2 boys. Sure now they see. Now go believe say the next thing she just begin the what did they call her? The next thing water can break. Water can break her. He never even reach she did like 22, 23 weeks. Water can break. They can rush and go hospital. He did hospital. Hospital cause say they go keep her. Say they go keep her, they monitor her. The next thing as I even they talk and say the thing they even did. The next thing they can say, I don't know what I'm going to they call sepsis. Sepsis now when when I want to talk now. I want to talk and explain her for PG now. Sepsis now when infection don't enter the woman blood. So they can say because her temperature can they go up. If they go up, they come down. So they can plan to transfer her to another bigger hospital where specialized where. But the place where she did, they can say the hospital can say they no go receive her until her temperature come down. Say because to put her for road, they safe. No do now the hospital where she dey talk say say the thing don't worse. Her own sickness, the mama wey carry pikin, her own sickness don't worse. Say to save her life, they go need to remove this pikin them. The next thing they can remove the pikin them. So the pikin there now, one as they bring them out, one done die, the other one no reach like 1 hour, he just die. The thing just can't weak me, the thing pain me because it pain me because I really happy for her. I really happy for her when she first shared the news with me. But at the same time, you just think and go front, think and go back because like this girl now young girl. When I tell her young girl because when me I start school, I no be their mate. You understand? Now there we see them take all my friends there, where they talk so now secondary school they take entire university. But me where I come from Nigeria, I can't do what they call mature code. You understand? I be mature student. I senior all of them. Me I be 42. The girl where they talking now 31. Make you see the more than 10 years where I take senior all of them. So but even for her age now, person will say one born. I just carry one born get belly that at the age of 30. Once he born, won't born again. As he can still pray to God, say God do make it be twins. It can't true be twins. After that one, I can still pray to God, say make it be boys. So God can't do. I can still go be boys. How? Now if I talk to sometimes, you be like say, if we want to talk true, we'll talk say some things. We go talk say we don't understand. We don't understand because my owner say how God go come to give her the twins where she define. On top of that one, he come to give her the boys. Because he give her the twins. He can't be saying her boys. Because she can't still lose the belly. You understand? You can't still lose the belly. You could they wonder. I know when I listen well, I know they talk say God no care. I know they talk say, you know, God no good. But my own say we could talk true. Sometimes we go say we don't understand. You understand? We don't understand. So I don't understand. You know, we go say God knows the best. Now the truth, we go say God knows the best. You know, but sometimes if we think and deep, not be everything where God they do, we don't understand. Now be the truth. Because me, I don't understand how, you know, he pray for twins. It should be twins. He can't pray, make it be saying 2 boys. He can't be 2 boys. The next thing now, he can't lose all the 2 boys. He can't not be even say he remain one, he lose one. You know the question I say wait because when I go her house, I go the burial of those twins. So when I wait even make me plan that birthday party for my house. Will make me plan that birthday party because on the day where the hospital give and the dead body of the twins, may she go bury. Can't be saying that Saturday of that week, now the family can plan the burial, but that Saturday can't go be the girl birthday. Sure you understand, eh? So now make I can't say which can't be this one? I bury children for her own birthday. Now I can't talk with my friends. They will can't organize with our other friends. They say we could plan another birthday party for her. We'll just celebrate her separate from the real day. Make you just be say still celebrate something. We'll just still surprise her, you know. So because when I go her house, I know the one. When I go her house, I say I no go cry. I need to get strong heart for her because I know say she go there upset, they cry. You know, make me I no go there go begin they cry. You understand? Because me, I dey quick feel for another person. I don't want to be my weakest point. Maybe not strength because now be strength. You go to the feel for other people. That is one. But at the same time, now my weakness too because any small thing, me person like find my trouble or person you know somebody they insult me or things like that. You know, other kind, they make me deal with you. People say emotional, but to feel another person pain or you know those kind of things, I dey quick feel another person pain or cry for another person or cry for another situation. I dey quick put myself another person's shoes. I reach her house so the girl crying. She cry. I just dey bear and say make her no cry. I know me I come here come console somebody make her no cry. I just dey console her. Now she come and say wetin I go talk. Now I know sometimes you no go wetin you go tell somebody. Now and say me I no lie you say at the end of the day no be everything we understand. You understand no be everything wey God dey do we understand. Only God know wetin him dey do. And we no fit dey ask question because we no really know. You know. I say only God know. Now that me I fit talk. One other person where they tell her say no worry the next one God will give you quads. Me I know sabi promise somebody that kind of thing because you don't know what God plan be for somebody. So make you know I know they like to go give somebody false hope. You know that kind of thing. I say I no go lie you. Me I don't know what me I want talk. But the only thing I want tell you na say you know be everything where God they do understand. No let him know what in plan B for you. And so me I know. She tell me say no, I not tell her like that oh. You know no, you know what you know she know what year you know go believe her, you know go blame her. Now she say waiting, say okay, it to say okay and he asked for twins. God for no even come give her twins. If for give her one, he go manage her. And so she dey talk with her. If for manager, okay, he can't go, he still answer my prayer, he give me twins. On top of that one, okay, he can still give me the 2 boys where I ask her. Later now, he just take everything from my hand. I know what you want tell me. Sure you understand? When somebody did that kind of situation, you know if they do like say you get all the answer because the truth now say you don't get the answer. So the only thing me I tell her I say the only thing you go take console yourself. What me I do anything happen go ask myself. What be the good thing where still come out of the situation? I go still define what I call light where go shine for my situation because whether I cry till next year or whether I ask question till next year, what don't happen. I tell her say if you want cry, not today there. No matter to cry. As you they cry, they release the feelings and the you know the feelings where do your body they let them out. I say it good. I say but may I tell you one thing, may I tell you true. I no go lie you. As I come here now, I see say you well. You come out of that hospital alive. You dey hear me? I still happy I dey tell you true even as a friend. I say because if I come here, they come tell me say see you welcome see your friend twins where she born. I can't say where my friend. They come tell me say but your friend die in the process. I no go lie you. If for pain me. You understand? I say, I know say if for good make you born the twins, but at the end of the day, at least God still keep you alive. I tell her, I say, I try to tell you, peace I come here meet you alive than to say I come here and meet say you born twins, but the twins they alive say you die. Not true, I just they tell you. And so I leave her, I stay with her that day, I stay with her for that day. So now the party where we do for her for my house the other day, now I be they tidy up. Now these things as I they tidy up, you know. Now the matter just still they pay me. I no go lie you, still they pay me because the girl everybody talk and say because for promotion for the because na nurse too promotion which she supposed to collect, no collect because I still get the twin pregnancy. Say the pregnancy really heavy her for body, really hard. In sick where we say he miss many days for work. Promotion we supposed to collect. He say at least I get my twins. And in the future, I still get promotion. Say the promotion now in loser. Where the twins now? You understand? So this video I just talk how we say sometimes. Not be everything we talk through, not be everything we feel talk say we understand when they come to the things of God. Not be everything. Even me when I share my own story, you know, say put I never even share 1/10 of my story. I be my family story. If I share my story, when I go weak, when I go even surprised and they ever they see me, they smile. I mean they tell you now. But only say after only say they even they get strength, self me and no only God. You know, but you see this life. Many things where they happen sometimes, you know. Sometimes if you think back, life go just tire you. I made it, they say my language they go say blue one easy. No blue one easy. No carry this life for your head. Take life easy. You go sometimes you go this your own problem. I was past. You go see another person. You go say, hey, this guy's problem day. You know. The only thing I say, the one who will get answer to, you take her like that. The one who will not get answer to, what you will go do? What we go do? Me at the talk I said that sometimes even when we see God for heaven, go ask a question. Wait, why this one happened to my papa? Why this one happened to my friend? Why you know all those kind of things? But me, I don't make up my mind. I'm not going to give anything. Anything will give me stress. I don't want. Anything will make me the overthink or the over worry. Me, I don't want. I just want to keep my life simple. Just live my life, you know, because this life. So, I saw my people now the thing where I just say me I tell you now. So times no we talk through, no be everything where God they do we they understand. But you know the Bible tell us say everything they work together for good for the people who love God. And so Bible tell us what you will go do now, what you will go do. We just take her like that. So as I they clean up, my people now as I they clean up the thing just come my mind. I say me I share that with you now. Make they take my life easy. Sometimes I go just you know, anything we go just make Bella sweet me, anything we go just make my day go smooth. Now they find anything they give me stress. I don't want at all forgive for my life at all. I don't want. I try to keep my life simple. You know, say sometimes I explain for my other channel about gardening. People know they know. You know, some people take medication. They take this medication for blood pressure. They take this medication for this one, that one. It gets some kind of things what we supposed to do where they good for belly, where they sweet belly they make, where they sweet belly they make body sweet person. All those small things that they talk for my other channel. I think I don't talk about here before too. Say gardening. People they look and like gardening. That be my biggest medicine. Sometimes relax. Some people they do yoga. Some people they do exercise. My own exercise not to run. I go sometimes I they go waka. Sometimes I they run. Another thing where I they do with they good for my body. Now this my gardening. Not how they tell you know, I they do and many people try and gardening they very good. You know, and even when sometimes you wake up in the morning you see one plant where you plant where small like this before. You don't big, you don't the flower. The way they take. I don't know if you explain how they make Bella sweet person. I know if you explain that. Make a show now, for example, make a show now this plant. See, I don't know whether I go do tour for this my Pidgin English channel. See this my plant. When I plant her, now one small plant like that, or see, it don't they grow flower. The day I come out now I see say the flower don't they open. See, you see her. Now this here, I go find that show now my garden where this plant it is sweet me for Bella. I know if you explain how to like this plant. I like and where. Like and where. You know, some people they say, you want this garden, you like gardening, you know. I don't get the energy, I don't get this one, I don't get it. But the thing I say, they never even try. Many people, they different medication where many people they take. You maybe say, na stress they cause. Now they don't ever find time to relax. They don't ever relax. They don't ever find time to do things where they sweet their belly. And another thing again, are people where they chase money too much. To chase money no be bad thing, no, but you know, say some people don't already get the money. They want to chase more. No matter what you want, with this money, we won't carry and go. And so some people go chase money. The next thing they go say, high blood pressure, this one, that one thing. They will come they swallow tablet, different tablet to cure her. We be say to say they even prevent her. They relax more, prevent her. They don't even enter the situation. They don't even enter where they go find the need tablets for all these things. And all these tablets, then all of them, they some many of these tablets people they take they wound body. They wound body, but many people know they try to prevent. Find small things sometimes. But I say this video don't go another direction. But at the end of the day, I see they talk about this life in general. I just talk, in general. Sometimes we think about problems of our life. Life will just tire person. I make it go. good sometimes to just find things we could make belle sweet you. Make I even show now which I buy the other day. The other day I go shop, I see this thing now I buy am. Now here I dey relax nowadays. See this life, you no get duplicate. Make I show now how I be. Muna see how they take care. How they take relax. So now there they stay relax. I know I go just stay there, relax, close my eyes. Just they look up. Sometimes I feel fall asleep for there. Sometimes I go just they look up the sky. The thing could just swing like this. I could just look the sky like this. I'll be waiting to give person need to relax. Now so me I dey relax so. So you will watch me, leave me comment. Tell me how you do your own relaxation. Which be your own style to relax. Which be the thing where we say if you do it, make your body calm down. Wanna leave comment for comment section. My people, I go leave today's video for there. When I do it soon, I can watch my video. Until next time, bye bye yo. Bye bye.